the epitome of creativity and innovation, the power stroke of engineering, an evergreen department that has witnessed all the transformations of Karunya since its establishment. This department is the abode of young engineers who crave to innovate, design, manufacture, and analyze numerous mechanical components. This is actualized through its laboratories. CAM is one of the cutting-edge technologies of manufacturing. Young engineers are trained using computer simulation and trainer CNCs to machine complicated components. From small-scale industries to large-scale industries, the lathe is the easily seen mechanical marvel. The lathe lab enables every student to understand the basics of machining process. Metallurgy lab has modern equipments such as twin disc polisher, pin-on disc wear tester, and other latest equipments for advanced metallurgical studies. Visual representation is the prerequisite in all engineering fields. This lab provides engineers a platform to draft their ideas visually. Special Machines Lab assists students to perform intricate machining. It provides avant-garde research facilities such as hard milling and drilling with minimal fluid application, electrical discharge machining with pressurized flushing for traditional machining, and precision grinding machines to enlighten the budding engineers. Accuracy is the vital factor to be considered during any engineering process. Metrology Lab extends facilities for academic and research in the areas of measurement and calibration. Renewable energy is the need of the hour. Generating and storing of biogas efficiently has become a big challenge to all researchers. Biomass Lab facilitates the researchers in generating biogas from bio-waste, storing them and testing them on modified hybrid engines to acquire better efficiency. Experimental studies in dynamic analysis, vibrational study, and computational modeling of structures are conducted with advanced sensors. Equipped with subsonic and supersonic wind tunnel, which helps in studying the effect of air moving past solid objects. Here, the aerofoil is calibrated to measure the force generated by airflow, which is represented as smoke. Advanced research devices such as atomic force microscope and electron microscope are used to analyze and modify the nanostructure of elements to emulate an improvement in the technology. Robotics is an emerging field. It is a sandwich of electronics, mechanics, and softwaring. This lab features multi-axis, motor-operated, pneumatically controlled robots, which can be programmed by handheld human-machine interface. The workshop is the hub of all manufacturing units. This lab teaches the students basic knowledge about various mechanical operations. These basics help the students to create and repair numerous mechanical devices. Studies on different thermal devices and analysis of thermal process are performed in thermal lab. It is also involved in advanced research and fabrication of heat pipes. Today's industries employ pneumatics, that is, energy from fluid for faster production. Pneumatic and a hydraulic trainer kit with PLCs are used to equip the students. Ergonomics is understanding the interaction among humans and other elements of a system. This lab has a portable goniometer for quick and accurate measurement of joint movement in multiple planes. The department provides a blend of academics and hands-on teaching, producing exceptionally skilled engineers who come out with flying colors every year, empowered by erudite professors